Hi everybody, my name is Zach. Come, let me show you how to add zoom in and out sound effects on CapCut. After editing your video, you must have add the zoom transition on your video. The next thing is to add the sound transition to the video. And how do we do that? By tapping on this audio, effects, trend. This is not what we want. We'll come to transition. We have whoosh, with echo, we have deep whoosh. So let's do whoosh with echo. This, and you click on this plus button. All right, so let's listen to that. Can you hear that? So you can adjust the timing of the transition by dragging this white handle, Okay, let's listen to that again. Can you hear that? All right, basically that is how we do zoom in and out audio transition to our video. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more video. Follow me on Instagram at Zach Media Connect. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.